All right, folks, we're going to show you how to use Weebly to make your eFolio. So head over to Weebly.com and choose the Sign Up button in the upper right-hand corner. If you had to use Weebly for another class, you'll be able to just log in. Otherwise, go ahead and insert your information. Check the I agree to Weebly's terms and services box and then choose Continue. Then it's going to give you the option of what type of website you'd like to create, either a website or an online store. For our eFolio, you just need the website, so go ahead and click that button on the left. At this time, it'll have you select a theme. Right now, I'm going to have everybody select the same theme, but you can always change this later. So go to Portfolio, and we're going to choose this Modus Operandi theme. Again, you can change this later, but let's just select this one for now. At this point, it'll give you a preview of what your theme looks like and choose the Start Editing button in the upper right-hand corner. It should pop up and ask you to select a domain name. This is what you're actually going to type into the address bar of your browser in order to go to your eFolio. Now, if this window doesn't pop up right away, that's okay. Hang on and I'll go over how you can select your subdomain in a second. We want this to be your first and last name. Then go ahead and hit search. Don't pay attention to any of these professional domain names. We want to go under the subdomain at the bottom because that's going to be free for us. If you have the option that's green that says choose, great. If yours says unavailable, you're going to need to add the word Triton at the end or maybe add in your middle name. So we want some variation of your first and last name. And as soon as you see this green choose button, go ahead and click that. And then this will be your actual eFolio link that you type in to access that online. If you see it, go ahead and click done. At this point, it's created our website, but it's not actually live on the internet. So I know in that last step it said, here's your URL, but if I go and I type in RebeccaGoosens.weebly.com, it's going to bring me to a page not found. And that's because I haven't actually published my websites or any edits that I've made. So we need to make our website live and viewable. We're going to do this by going up into the corner and clicking the Publish button. Now, if you are one of the people whose domain name choice did not pop up right when you made your website, clicking the Publish button for the first time will bring you back to that screen and you'll be able to choose your domain name at this time. Once we click Publish, it should give us our actual link that when we click on that or when we type it in, we will see our actual website as it is in Weebly. So any changes that you make in Weebly will save automatically, but they will not show on your actual URL until you hit publish. Let's test this out quick by just adding your name to your website. So if I go right here where it says my site and I click on it, I'm going to delete it and I'm going to type in my first and last name. And now if I go out and I hit refresh, notice I'm not seeing that first and last name. That's because I didn't hit publish. If I hit publish, as soon as it gives me that congratulations, you've published it, now when I hit refresh, I'm going to see any edits that I made to my website. At this point, you've successfully set up your eFolio.